This is the video tutorial to show you how to add a blog. So we go to the blog page and we've currently got this set up to take 4 blogs. Obviously, every time you add one, it's going to add another blog to the page. And the way to address that, and I shall show you how it works in a second, but the way to address that is actually to log into the blog page itself and then go to click on where it says blog posts. We've got the right category selected. We've got this is for the news. We call it news category, so that's how it is. The blog style is in grid layout. The blog grid columns is 4, and the number of posts is 4. So by doing that, you can go into the page. We can see that we have 4 blogs on the page. Okay, so we want to add another blog. So we log in and we go to where it says posts. Now what I'm going to do for this tutorial is duplicate one as if you'd written a new one. So let's just duplicate this one for a second. So we're going to duplicate it. It comes up as a draft. So basically I'm going to go in and edit it. And what you would do to add a blog is you'd probably be better off actually doing it as a duplicate and then just changing the necessary text. So changing the name, so we call that Mr. and Mrs. Test. Keep it the same thing for this example. And then we'll have the name. The way to check that is click on that and we see we've got the name. So we just click on and we just highlight the name we want to change. It will save you a lot of time having to type everything from scratch or copy and paste. Then we will save that. So we've now got Mr. and Mrs. Test. Obviously that's the picture. If you've got text you want to drop in, you'll just click on that box. You would just then either type or copy and paste from a Word document what you want here in the same way you would normally with a Word document. Click save. Same with a picture. If you want to change the picture, we'll come back to that one in a second. This is just as a standard picture. This is an image box. So you would literally just click on this and then you would go to upload files. You would then upload the file from your computer into the website. Click on insert once it's uploaded. So if we were doing it from the library, everything that you've already uploaded stays in the library. So we put that in. There we go. That will change. Be aware of the optimization. We don't want images on there that are 2, 3, 4 megabytes in size. Nice small images at high resolution and certain sizes. 300 by 200 pixels for that is usually pretty good. Click save. We've got a new picture. If we're doing a picture within the text, we just click on the text box. That's a text block. And you just literally would put your cursor where you want the picture. So in this case, where you've already got a picture, you just want to replace it with one that's appropriate to that post. Click on the pencil and you'll see here it says replace. You can again see that the size for this is 300 by 200. You click on replace. You would then either replace it with a new picture or you would actually upload from your computer. Again, we want 300 by 200 really. Where are we? That one. Let's have a look. Let's do this one as an example. Replace. We can then, and here we've got where we want to position it. So if we want it on the left, we can keep it to the left, or we can click on this one, pushes it to the right. There we go, pushes it to the right. Or we can push it to the center, or we push it to the left. Let's push it to the right where it was originally. Click on save. So we've done all of our posts. Now this picture here is the picture that appears here. Okay, so those pictures that head up the blog, we insert them here. So let's change that for this process so you can see it. What should we put in? We're putting that one. Set featured image. That's now changed. So what we now do is publish. We've got the categories set at news. If that's not ticked, it won't appear in there. So we've now updated it. Now, initially, when you go to this, of course, it won't show. But what it will do, it will show at the beginning. But then one will drop out because it's only set for 4. So this is where you'd go into edit page. You would then scroll down to where it says blog posts. You would then perhaps we can keep it to 5 columns and put it as 5 posts. And click save. Click update. And then what will happen is it will make the pictures go a little bit smaller and make them into 5 columns. So you will see we've now got 5 columns for the blogs. Okay, and that's basically how you do it. When you then get to 6, if you didn't have a 6th one, you could then go into this page again. Go down to blog posts. You could then go, right, I'm going to put it as 3 columns with 6 save, and what it will give you is 2 rows of 3. Obviously we haven't put 6 in, but it should still show with a space where we haven't put one in. Let me just show you. So, and there we go. So basically, obviously we've only got 5, but if you had put 6 in, there would be a 6th one there. So that's basically how you do the posts. Duplicate the ones that we've already got because it make it easier. All the layouts done for you. Just put in, replace the text and the pictures with the new ones. Save it, go to this page, and then change it for the layout. And that basically is it.